Assalamu alaikum. If you are a broken-hearted Muslim professional, divorced, stuck in a toxic relationship, facing setbacks in career, health or family, and the house feels quiet, this is for you. Not for boys, not for men who want comfort. I'm speaking to the man who is rebuilding in silence. You think you are lethargic. You are not. You are in the desert season. Before we go further, if your mind has been spiraling lately, distracted, spiritually off, download the Muslim Man Rebuild Playbook. It's a 30-minute reset for Muslim men who need structure when everything feels scattered. Link is below. Now listen carefully. The house is quiet. No wife present, no extra energy, no noise. Just stillness. You scroll. You don't train in the gym. You don't sleep enough. Your body feels weak. Brain fog. Low drive. You almost quit. That's not weakness. That is identity death. After breakup, divorce, or any deep setback, your whole identity collapses. Neurologically, it means dopamine crash, oxytocin withdrawal, routine collapse, ego bruised, silence amplified. Your brain screams, escape, scroll, numb, anything. That is biology. But here's what separated you from average men. You kept moving. Even when you didn't feel like it. You made a messy to-do list. You did one thing, then tightened it later. That is masculine reconstruction. Lethargy is not decay. It is rebuilding in progress. But here is where most men misunderstand the process. They think motivation comes first. It doesn't. There's a physics principle. Objects in motion stay in motion. But here's the deeper truth. Emotion follows motion. You don't wait to feel ready. You move first. Gym first. Walk first. Cold shower first. Sujud first. Then motivation appears. Not before. After divorce, I didn't feel strong. I felt empty. But I would just stand up, move, shower, get back to work. That's it. No dramatic speech. Just motion. Lethargy is nervous system fatigue, emotional detox, identity recalibration. But you don't negotiate with it. You shrink the task. Not rebuild my life. Just 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 5 minutes of walk, 1 page of journaling, 1 raka'at of prayers. Micro movement compounds. If you wait to feel motivated, you decay. Now, let's talk about the anchor. Because motion alone is not enough. You need grounding. Our father were right. Salah is not just ritual. When you stay longer in sujud, your nervous system slows. Your ego softens. Your identity stabilizes. The Prophet ﷺ called prayer the pillar. Why? Because when everything collapses, marriage, relationship, career, mood, structure remains. When I prostrate longer and stay silent, that is my conversation with Allah. That is muraqabah, witnessing your emotion instead of becoming it. You observe the sky, the trees, the silence. You step back from the storm inside you. That is high-level regulation. That is spiritual intelligence. A man anchored to prayer cannot drift too far. Now, let me challenge you. Scrolling on your phone, aimless browsing, sedation, they don't solve loneliness. They sedate it. Sedation weakens you. Movement strengthens you. Yes, sometimes you fall. Repent. Return. But don't normalize relapse as routine. Environment beats willpower. Delete those mobile apps. Block the triggers. Design friction in your life. That is leadership over self. Comfort now or dignity later. Choose wisely. Here is the truth most men never hear. No one is coming to save you. Not your ex, not your mom, not your dad, not your society, not motivation. You save yourself. With discipline when you feel nothing. With prayer when you feel shame. With movement when you feel weak. Darkness shrinks over time if you keep moving. Anchor yourself to something higher than emotion. Motion creates energy. Temptation is escape, not solution. Lethargy is not an excuse. You are no longer the man who reacts to emotion. You are the man who acts despite emotion. Lethargy is a cloud. Movement is wind. Prayer is like the sun. Keep walking. If this spoke to you, download the Muslim Man Rebuild playbook below. Take the first structured step today. And if this is your season, subscribe to the Maverick Mountain. This channel is not for everyone. It is for men rebuilding.